Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new Surface Universal Charger. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Oh, nice. So here's the first part. So you can see this is actually pretty long. Let's pull this out. Very nice. And then the actual cable. And then the other power cable for it, which we'll plug in right here. Very nice. Let's plug it in and actually try it out. One thing that I did want to point out about the charger, it does have another USB port so you can charge your phone or something like that, which we'll go ahead and actually try out. All right, so let's actually plug it in. And there's the light letting you know, but we'll just go ahead and double check. And then right down there, it's showing as charging. So very cool. Now let's try out that USB port as well. So we'll go ahead and plug this in. We'll plug it into our iPad. And there it is. So have your laptop, have your iPad, have your phone charging at the same time. And it also does have a built-in chip. So even if you leave it charging overnight, it won't actually damage the battery. So if you guys are looking for a new universal charger for your Surface laptop, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. I highly recommend.